Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming power and basic connectivity. Hold power for 10 seconds to force reboot. This often clears transient freezes. Next, remove the case and wipe the screen and ports. Make sure there is no moisture or visible damage that blocks touch. Then, try safe mode to rule out apps or plug an external display or USB-C adapter if your Oppo supports it. This shows whether the GPU and display pipeline are still working. Once you've ruled out physical blockage, focus on software. First, back up your photos and contacts to a PC or cloud. Do not skip this. Then clear system cache from recovery mode, check for color OS updates, and uninstall any apps installed just before the problem began. These can hijack touch input. If issues persist, perform a factory reset using Oppo's recovery menu. Make sure your backup is complete, because reset will erase user data. Now address hardware. If reboot and software fixes fail, power down and open only if you are trained. Reseat the display flex cable and check the digitizer connection, because loose connectors often break touch. If the battery is swollen, stop using the device and replace it. Corrosion or liquid damage needs professional board cleaning. If touch still fails after replacing the screen or cables, take the phone to Oppo service or a certified repair shop. One key troubleshooting tip: avoid third-party boards unless you need cost savings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.